So, grabbed the family, went to the cruise port. Yes, indeed. They changed everything. What a beautiful area built up. I was able to grab a couple of shots looking at the port, the ship, and some. Royal Caribbean, Liberty of the Seas. Oh yeah, man, they had slides on top. Beautiful old ship. And they're heading down to Bermuda. And it's a 4 or 5 day cruise. They'll be back on Thursday. So we'll head on back Thursday to meet up with the ship and family again. If you're wondering what mode I'm on pure video mode. Looks pretty good for the Tunnel of Yellen, doesn't it not? We got Captain Dave, he's gonna go out. And we got the Sea Queen, Ocean Eagle. Later on, you got here is the Mullen. Finally somebody looking down at the boat. I don't know if you're gonna see it, but I'll stop over here for a little bit more of an interest, what I like. The Canadian geese, the swan, somebody feeding bread. And they should have thrown it out of the bag, all those Kaiser rolls. What do you call when the lights are out? Partial lights are out? Is it just short or just partial? We don't know. Well, as you can see, the plane is coming in, banking in for a turn. Sun coming up, rising on the side. I asked myself this question, and maybe you know the answers to it. On either camera, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 or the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. We got in the video, super nice for the DJI, and pure video in the Insta360, but when we go to the photo, we don't have pure photo or super photo night. Why is that? Do we have to make it up? Try to figure out the settings and shoot what we gotta shoot? This is a video camera first, and then the camera secondary. So all these shots in pure video or pure video plus, it's brighter than ever. It makes it look really presentable, but in photo, you're gonna have to sit around and make the shot. And that's all I can tell you.
Good morning.
Good morning. So, we're capturing the sunrises, and you see the gentlemen taking their shots. And yeah, I'm going down to the shore. That's where I want to be at. I want to see what looks down over there. I had my sunrise shot. It'll come up soon. Corrected. Thanks. I missed the end. Well, I believe it was supposed to be breathing. There it is, just breathing real slow. I don't need to have it go fast. I'm watching a plane bank in. There it is. Now, in person, that is big. Camera's eye, not so big. And yeah, I'm happy with my camera. I really am. That is a nice sized plane. Today would have been a good day for the Sony HX90V. Only if I could find a great deal on the HX99V. And I would have picked it up because that was a 4K 30 times optical zoom. But I'll deal with my HD 1080p HX90V. Fish! There it is. It looks like it's got its landing gear down already in the airport, 25 miles away. But not the way the bird flies. Well, it's time for me to pack up, put my helmet back on, and say